Today, I want to share with you a restaurant-style spicy tomato pepper dip recipe that will brighten up your summer tables. Let's chop one small onion as finely as possible. And let's also finely chop 2 cloves of garlic. Let's also finely chop a few sprigs of parsley. I used 1 small red bell pepper. Let's chop that as finely as possible too. And let's also remove the seeds from 4 to 5 green chili peppers and chop them as finely as possible. Let's also chop 4 peeled tomatoes as finely as possible. If you say, I don't want to chop and work like this. Of course, it will be much nicer if you do it by chopping. But you can also use a food processor if you prefer. And after chopping all our vegetables, let's place them in a strainer as you see in the video. Let's allow our vegetables, especially the tomatoes, to release their excess water. While our vegetables are draining, let's prepare the sauce for our dip. Into a wide plate, add about 1 teaspoon of pepper paste, 1 tablespoon of tomato paste, half a tea glass of olive oil, juice of half a lemon, and 1 teaspoon each of dried mint, red pepper flakes, sumac, chili flakes, salt, and about 1 teaspoon of black pepper. And add 1 tablespoon of pomegranate molasses and mix. I added 1 tablespoon because I used authentic pomegranate molasses. If you're using a thinner, saucier type, you can increase the amount. As you can see, our vegetables have drained. Let's add our vegetables to the sauce and mix well. Then, let's transfer our dip to a serving plate. Our dip is ready to serve with its perfect consistency and amazing flavor. I hope you try it and like it too. If you've watched my video this far and liked it, you can support me with your likes, comments, and shares. Thank you for watching.